Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Swatch Omega watch. So this is going to work for all Moonswatch watches that are out there, all the variations including the new Moonshine variations. So in order to start working on your Omega Swatch watch, so to replace the watch battery, you should need the basic watchmaker tools. So a flat screwdriver, a pair of tweezers in order to remove the watch battery and also place it back in. Now if you're a watch enthusiast, I would recommend going online and purchasing a basic watchmaker toolkit, because you are going to have all the basic things that you need in order to start working on your watches. Also, I would also recommend to go and purchase a new watch battery before actually starting to work, so to replace the watch battery. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all the tools and the watch battery so that you can pre-order them and then start working on your watch. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So when you turn the watch upside down, you can see here we have the Mission to the Moon model. So we are going to have the small lid, which is the actual cover of the watch battery. Here we have the moon. On other models, you are going to have a different planet. So you are going to need a small flat screwdriver, something that you are going to find within this basic watchmaker toolkit. And you are going to go and place it right inside this small gap underneath the lid and then push it out. As you can see, I managed to scratch a little the moon right here since I used a bigger screwdriver in the beginning, and that is why you need a smaller one and to be very careful so that you do not scratch or damage the lid. So what we are going to do is go at an angle about 30 to 20 degrees, go underneath the lid and then gently press a little and also push it towards the outer part of the watch. So we are going to use the actual case of the watch as a lever in order to push the cap, so the lid, upwards, and that way you can actually remove the back of the watch. And here we are going to expose the watch battery. As you can see, the watch has a battery Renata 394, so you need to order the same watch battery, so a 394 online. So we are going to use the pair of tweezers in order to remove the watch battery. So you are going to go on one side and gently apply a little bit of pressure once again and try to push it upwards. Now as you can see, the watch battery will fall out. Now you are going to take the new watch battery that you ordered, once again the same model, so the 394, link in the description below. And then, as you can see right here, we have these small metallic parts that actually tell you how to place the watch battery. So you are going to place it first this way, apply a little bit of pressure, the watch battery will go inside. Then we are going to check on the front of the dial if the seconds hand is moving. As you can see right here, the subdial at 6 o'clock is ticking. That means that the watch is working and that the battery is placed correctly. Now we are going to take the lid and place it back onto the watch, apply a little bit of pressure. You are going to hear a small tick, and that is when you know that the lid is back in its position and it won't fall out. Guys, if you found this video useful, please consider hitting the thanks button and supporting our channel. This way we can keep creating free content for watch lovers just like you. So guys, that is how you replace the watch battery on your Omega Swatch watch. I'm going to leave a few videos in the description below where you can actually see how to reset the watch hands or how to use all the functions on your Omega Swatch watch in case you are interested. Also, once again, all the tools and the battery will be linked in the description down below. That is the video guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.